Hello and what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel and you are watching Miguel EDC. Today we got an awesome unboxing right here. This is the CRKT Piet. Please feel free to correct me in the comments. Let me know how to pronounce it correctly, because I'm not sure. It's spelled P-I-E-T, right? Let me know. It's a CRKT knife, right? This is the box right here. Very small, by the way. It is a small knife. So let's go ahead and not waste any time. I'm gonna be doing a quick unboxing right here, and I'm gonna just give you guys some first impressions, and then I'm going to be carrying it for about a week or two, right? Be able to give you guys a good comprehensive review once I have experienced it for a while. But without further ado, right, there is no seals on the box, so we can open it right off the bat like this. And here is the knife itself, guys. I got this guy here for a good deal. This was about $15. It was a special back when I got it. Let me put it to the side here for a second. Let me share with you what else is in the box. There's a nice marketing material handout here, right? From CRKT, but not really much to it. That is it, right? The box, the marketing material right there, and of course the knife. So let's go ahead and check out this bad boy right here, right? Boom, this is the CRKT Piet, right? Let me go ahead and open it. By the way, this one has a hole opening right here. It is not a flipper, right? So there's no flipper or thumb stud. You would just, this is one of those knives that you would just open slowly with your thumb like this, right? And yeah, there's a blade right there. This is like a plastic right here. Let me share with you guys. So this is around a $33.99 knife. I did get it for $15.99 when it was in special. It has some good reviews, and by the way, links will be in the description for this, guys. If you use affiliate links in the description, it does help out the channel, but again, it is totally up to you. It has a thumb hole and glass reinforced fiber handle, so FRN for the handle. And let's see, as far as the blade, this one has a, let's see, S390V, right? And there it is, the name on there, right? Piet, right? Voxness design. Hopefully I pronounced that correct as well. But yeah, check it out in the description below. Again, $33.99, still not a bad price, right? Still not a bad price at all. So check out the description for that. Let's take a closer look. So it is a liner lock. All right, so it is a liner lock right here, right? I like that it has this blue accent right here, this metal spacer in blue. It kind of helps it stand out from everything else that I have. It does have a deep pocket clip, deep carry pocket clip right there, so that is very nice. And this is a nice chrome finish here, which is also really nice. So yeah, as far as opening it, let's see, can you reverse flick this guy? It's kind of difficult because of, you know, this portion right here. I'm sure it's possible if you practice it a lot. Definitely with the thumb, yeah, you could swing it open with the thumb with a little bit of practice. Boom, just like that. See? Come on now. There it is. There it is. Oh, there it is, right? All right, there you go. Just get a little bit of practice. Again, it is a liner lock. So in order to close it, right, there is the, push this piece right here, and boom, you can close it right there. Really wish it had a flipper, honestly, but again, just some quick first impressions. The pocket clip is reversible. You could reverse it and put it on this side. You do have holes on this side where you can put the pocket clip. Nice hole here if you're into, you know, the linear holes and you hold your knife with some sort of linear. That's pretty neat. I did have the Civivi Centilla right here. Did an unboxing for this guy in the channel as well. Make sure to check out this card right here if you haven't seen that. But the reason I have it here is because look at the size comparison, right? Like style wise and I guess profile wise, right? They look so similar, right? Guys, let me know in the description, right? I would personally probably, you know, steer towards the Civivi, and you'll see why during the review. Again, I still got to experience this guy, so it might change my mind. I'm not sure. Yeah, definitely make sure to like and subscribe if you'd like to see that review video. But yeah, I like the Civivi has the right flipper, right? Also has a thumb opening, thumb stud. You could definitely reverse flick the, oh, there it is. Don't make me look bad. There it is. Right, the Civivi Scintilla. This is a Blade HQ exclusive. Got this one as part of a promotional sale. But yeah, let me open both of them up here so you can see what they look like. Check it out, right? Side to side. Look at them. Right, profile wise, they're both a drop point blade. Right, this one is satin. Right, the Piet is a satin finish. I like that finish a little bit more. The Civivi is a stone wash, right? But yeah, looking at the frame, I like these chrome accents right here on the frame. This one is a G10 handle, so it has that going for it, right? G10 handle versus plastic FRN. It certainly feels a lot like plastic, to be honest. And yeah, they both have a very nice deep carry pocket clip. So yeah, size wise, I mean, it compares so much. I definitely had to show you guys, you know, this could be a very good secondary, right, to whatever primary you're running. The Piet does have some, I'm sorry, the Scintilla does have some chimping up here, which is nice, right? That's nice and good. You could actually, you know, finger choil up here in the front as well. Again, I talk about all that during the unboxing and the review, whereas the CRKT Piet here, right, you would grab it. It's a 4-finger, right, grab, and then again, I got average size hands, nothing crazy. If you try to put your finger here for the forward choil, it will be a little bit uncomfortable, I would say. So keep that in mind, right? So it will be it's nice and comfortable in the hand, I'm not gonna lie. And yeah, it's nice and light, easy to carry. For comparison purposes too, here is a little bigger of a knife. This is the Civivi Ortis, right? Also did an unboxing on this guy in the channel as well. If you haven't seen that already, right, make sure to check that out. But yeah, this one's a little bit bigger of a knife for sure. I could put them all in my hand here, kind of show you, right, side by side. Right, there they are, guys. So yep, this is the knife we're unboxing, CRKT Piet, Civivi Scintilla, the Civivi Ortis, right? Just for some quick comparison. Again, the goal here is that I'm going to be EDCing this knife, right? I'm going to be, you know, gathering some experience with it, so that way I can get back to you guys and give you a very honest very honest review on everything and everything. But again, for the price, it's a good way to get into the CRKT lineup. From what I see, CRKT makes some awesome knives, right? So that is something to consider as well. But yeah, guys, let me know in the comments, right? Let me know what you think. Let me know your thoughts, right? Is this a knife that you would consider yourself as part of your arsenal? Again, I got this bad boy here back when it was, I want to say $15.99, so it was definitely a steal back then. And again, as far as action, if you're thinking fidgety, right, well, even though it doesn't have a flipper or a thumb stud, right, if you get really good at this thumb flick deployment, right, you could, right, there it is, let me see, come on, don't make me look bad, right, there it is. Boom, all right, it's got a, and especially if you give it a little bit of a boom, a little bit of a swing, look at that. Oh, it comes flying right out. So, yep, there it is, guys. Some closing summary here, some closing thoughts. Deep pocket clip right here. Once again, FRN black handles and a S90, well, S390V, or not V, in an S390 blade, right? So check it out in the description below. By the way, guys, a lot of people keep asking in the comments, what are these things right here in the top left corner of your videos, right? Those King of Hearts and Ace of Spades. All right, those guys have been hanging out up there over the last couple of videos in the channel, but what are they, or what really are they, right? So just gonna give you guys a quick overview. I'll be making a separate video on these, but just so you know, links will be in the description for these. These are fidgety pocket toys, if you will, or pocket coins. Of course, this channel is all about EDC, right? So this will be a fidgety pocket coin, if you will, something that you get a chance to play around with in your pocket, right, alongside with you know, all the other things that you carry on a daily basis. And this is what they do, right? Listen to this sound. Right, if that's not satisfying, I don't know what is, but I can see myself doing this over and over again and never getting tired of that sound. Check out this guy. Let me swap hands. I am right-handed. All right, King of Hearts. All right, this one is like a rose gold. This is like a gold. This one is all in silver, right? Well, you can do it both-handed. How about that, all right? But again, if you haven't checked these out, guys, these are very addicting. I'm glad I have two of them. I got this one originally. My wife ended up taking it away from me because she liked it so much. So she ended up keeping the Ace, and then I ordered me the King of Hearts here so I could have, you know, a little bit of a variety, right? And yeah, they've been in the top corner there. If you haven't already, check these out. I mean, they are super addicting to open and close. They're nice. Another addition to your EDC, right? Something that you will carry on a daily, right? You can fidget with them, right? It can help you with anxiety and things like that. This is what the back looks like on both of them, right? And again, they're held by magnets. Without going too much in detail, those magnets right there are doing all the work. And that's where you get the awesome clicking sound every time you open and close. Again, links for these in the description, you guys, so check them out. Let me know what you think. All right, and yeah, add them to your EDC collection, because I mean, they are totally worth it. They are super awesome. And if you made it this far into the video, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Peace.